In this video, we'll guide you through the recommended methods for safely transporting the S4GA PAPI system, ensuring your equipment remains protected during transit. All PAPI components should be packed in their original boxes or appropriately sized containers. Each item must be securely fastened using foam, bubble wrap, or other soft padding materials to prevent movement and damage. Depending on the number of components and ease of handling, you may transport the entire set of equipment for one LHA in a single pallet or transport each component individually. It is recommended to clearly label the boxes with the contents, for easy accessibility when unpacking. Ensure all equipment is properly stacked on the pallet and securely positioned. Then, tightly wrap the entire load with thick protective film to prevent movement and minimize risk of damage during transport. Whether transported by air or ground, always ensure the equipment is kept in a dry, controlled environment, away from direct sunlight, excessive humidity, or temperature extremes that could compromise its integrity.